Most people will fail before they even begin. They think laziness is a choice, a character flaw, a lack of hustle. They are wrong. Laziness isn't a lack of energy. It's a survival mechanism gone rogue. Your brain is an ancient machine. Its only goal is to keep you safe, to save calories, to avoid the unknown. In the modern world, safe means the couch. Safe means the endless scroll. You have goals, big ones, but every time you try to move, an invisible hand pulls you back. You call it procrastination. Your brain calls it protection. The harder you fight, the stronger the grip becomes. This is why willpower fails. You are fighting a war against your own biology. And right now, you're losing. There is a forgotten technique. It wasn't found in a modern boardroom. It was used by those who mastered the mind long before the internet existed. It is called the Monastic Interval. Most productivity hacks tell you to do more, to push harder, to drink more caffeine. The Monastic Interval demands the opposite. It is built on a single, terrifying truth. Your brain doesn't hate work, it hates boredom. In the 21st century, we have killed boredom. We have replaced it with microdoses of dopamine. Every scroll, every notification, every 15-second video. You aren't lazy, you are overstimulated. Your threshold for effort has been hijacked. When you try to work, your brain compares the difficulty of a task to the ease of a screen. The screen wins, every single time. To break the cage, you must reclaim the void. Here's how you implement the Monastic Interval today. Step 1. The digital blackout. Choose the task you've been avoiding. Put your phone in another room. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Silence the world. Step 2. The rule of nothing. Set a timer for 10 minutes. During these 10 minutes, you have only two choices. 1. Do the task. 2. Do absolutely nothing. You are not allowed to listen to music. You are not allowed to stretch. You are not allowed to daydream. You sit. You stare at the work. Step 3. The boredom pivot. Within 5 minutes, your brain will scream. It will crave stimulation. It will find the silence unbearable. Suddenly, the hard task becomes the escape. The work becomes the dopamine source. You aren't forcing yourself to work anymore. You are choosing the work to save yourself from the void. Laziness is not your identity. It is a symptom of a noisy world. If you can master the silence, you can master your life. The 10-minute void is waiting. Will you enter it, or will you keep scrolling? The 1% choose the void. Subscribe to become a better you. Stay focused.